Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can like and comment on this video. You can share us your experience using this strategy, and also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship and for VIP group. Hi guys, so today I'm going to introduce you to another wonderful strategy. This is Boom 1000. I will first explain how this strategy works on Boom 1000 before I explain more betters on it on Crash 1000. So I'm going to explain how it works on Boom 1000 and Boom 500. So watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy at the end of the video. So guys, this strategy is more active, it's more accurate on 1 minute time frames. So you can use it on 1 minute time frames in Boom 1000 and in Boom 500. So you can use this strategy to catch up a spike, and also you can use it to sell up a trade. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this strategy to sell up a trade on Boom 1000. So as you can see now, this is my window where I have my MACD and I have my RSI, which is the relative strength index. So I have my MACD to be in red 9 here, which is this color, which is the red 9 here, and my RSI is the blue color here, and I have also my MACD to be an histograph, or as you are seeing in the chart. So guys, I have my level to be in 85 level. I have 85 level, I have 50 level, and I have 15 level. So this 3 level is very important for me to take this trade successfully. So one thing I need to first identify is to identify my entry, my histograph, which is this white 9 that is showing here. Immediately it reached my 85 level, I can easily confirm the trade from that. That's the first confirmation that you guys need to note. So once you confirm that your histograph has reached your 85 level, that is the number one thing. And the second thing that you need to note, if you want to take this trade successfully, is to identify the MACD. So when the MACD cross above the histogram, you see, let me show you exactly what I mean here. You see, when the MACD, which is the 9 color here, which is the red color here, you see, it cross above the the histograph. You see, it cross above it at this particular moment. This is exactly the right time for you to take up your trade. The first thing you need to confirm is to confirm your histograph reaching your 85 level, and the second thing you need to confirm is to confirm your red 9, which is the MACD here, crossing above the histograph. You see, when you have these two confirmation, then you can easily enter the market without any fear. You see, at this particular time now, you can keep on selling the market down. As you can see now, currently now the market is moving and it's respecting that particular level. So let me show you some sample of it. You see, anytime you have your histograph reaching your 85 level like this, you see, the histograph reach our 85 level, and our red 9, which is our MACD, it cross above the histograph. When it cross above the histograph, you see this particular moment is cross above above histograph, then you can easily enter the trade at this moment here. You see, so at this particular time now, you can take down you can take down your market. Don't scare. You just place your stop loss at this particular side. Place your stop loss here in case of any spikes, and you can keep on selling down to you are okay with your profit. You see now, we have the market keep on selling down before spike happen, up to like 20 candle now before that spike happen. So you can easily exit your market when your market get to, let me say, when you have your market get to 50 level, or you wait for the downtrend histograph begin to appear before you take your what, before you take it, before you take your trade. So guys, let me show you more sample. You see, it was, this is boom 1000 and 1 minute time frames. You see, anytime you are having your histograph on what, on 85 level, this is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation for you to note is when you are having your MACD, which is the red line here, that is crossing above the histograph. You see, it cross above the histograph. In all this histograph now, is cross above them, and once it cross above them, that is the right level for you to what, to enter your trade at this particular time. So if you enter your market at this particular time now, you know how many profits you will have made. You just keep on what, selling your market down. You see that you keep on, you give out a what, a little spike, and it keep on what, selling down. So guys, you can place your stop loss at this particular time, place it at the part, enter your market at this level, and keep on what, selling down. So guys, so this is boom 1000 again. I told you it is very, very accurate. It is certain that it's going to what, is going to respect that particular level. But once you what, you are able to confirm that entry, you see, confirm your 85 level, and wait for your what, for your red line to what, to cross above the histograph. And once it's crossed above your histograph, then you enter, you what, you enter the market at this. So let me show you how it works on boom 500. Also, the same principle is what you are using in boom 500. What you just need to do is to wait for the what, for the histograph to cross above what, above 85 level. You see, it's crossed above 85 level. And second thing you need to wait for is to, for what, for the red line to cross above the histograph. And when it is crossed, you can easily what, take the market down. So let me show you the settings of this strategy, so that you guys can also set it up on your what, on your system. So I have my moving average on my main charts, which is the period of 20. I have methods to be simple. You just screenshot this. I have style to be in what, red color. That is exactly how it looks like. So you press on done. Then the first indicator window one is the MACD. The fast MACD is 12, slow is in 26. MACD SMA is in 9. We have applied to close. We have our style in this color. You see that? So you press undone. Then you go to your relative strength index. We have the period of 14. We have applied to close. We have level to be in 85, 50, and 15. You see that 3 level. So you press undone. So by doing that, you can easily what, you can easily have the same settings the way I have it here, guys. So I'm going to release another video on and explain it more better on crash 1000, and I'm going to show another video which I'm going to explain how you can use this particular strategy to catch up a spike. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly help me to subscribe. It's going to help this channel a lot, and I also like you guys to what, to likes and comments on this video. Tell us your experience so far using this strategy, maybe any strategy of our video. And also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship on how possible you can be making a consistent profit in what, in trading boom and crash. And also you can join our Telegram group for what, for VIP group, so that you also can catch up a what, a daily trade. Thanks.